Welcome back. Met Department says a deep depression belt in the Arabian Sea might delay the monsoon. Director KV Singh says conditions look favorable for the onset of monsoon in Goa, at least for now.
While speaking to Prudent Media, KV Singh said monsoon has reached Kerala on 31st of May and Goa can expect onset of monsoon in the next 2 to 3 days. Singh also said the deep depression system developed in the Arabian Sea might delay the monsoon. But he says right now conditions are favorable for early onset of monsoon in Goa.
देखिए अंदाज तो ऐसा है कि 31st को मानसून केरला में सेट हुआ है, तो उस समय काफ़ी कंडीशंस आगे भी फेवरेबल लग रही हैं। तो कल यही सिचुएशन था कि कंडीशंस वर वेरी मच फेवरेबल फॉर ऑनसेट ऑफ मानसून ओवर गोवा ड्यूरिंग नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 days. But now there is one system in Arabian Sea. Now it has become a deep depression. It is far from Goa, but that system, I think it take current. If it takes current towards that side, then monsoon may delay this side also. But so far these conditions are favorable. So within by 2-3 days we are expecting the monsoon here also.
KV Singh confirmed that the showers which lashed Goa on 30th and 31st May were pre-monsoon.
हाँ, ये 2 थंडर शावर्स थे. इट वाज ए प्री मानसून शावर्स. तो थंडर शावर्स जब होते हैं तो उस समय थोड़ा गस्टी विंड्स होती हैं. तो गस्टी विंड्स की वजह से साइक्लोनिक विंड कहते हैं लोग कि साइक्लोन आया है, बट इट वाज नॉट ए साइक्लोन, गस्टी विंड है ये. तो अभी आगे भी हो सकता है, जब भी थंडर शावर्स एक्टिविटी होती है उस समय गस्टी विंड्स होती हैं.
Goa will receive monsoon from southwest.
ये साउथ वेस्ट मानसून होता है तो बारिश साउथ वेस्ट से ही आती है. साउथ वेस्टर्ली विंड्स होती हैं. अभी विंड साउथ वेस्टर्ली चल रही हैं, तो बारिश साउथ वेस्ट साइड से ही आएगी.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dalavi.
CBI has arrested Superintendent of Central Excise A.S. Patil on Monday on the charges of corruption. SP of CBI S.S. Gauli told us that Patil demanded a bribe of 1,000 rupees per ton to a scrap dealer in Bicholi. Patil is arrested under Section 7 of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 and is remanded to 2 days of CBI custody.
A scrap dealer from Bicholi had complained to the CBI that Superintendent of Central Excise A.S. Patil from Bicholi is asking for a bribe. Acting on the complaint, CBI arrested him on Monday. SP of CBI S.S. Gaudi informed us more on this shocking incident.
So, Superintendent of Customs, Superintendent of Central Excise, and specifically he is posted in the Bicholi office. So, he is demanding a bribe of rupees 1,000 per ton for the scrap which he purchases from a company there, and he is removed from the company and is purchased, and he wants to take out through truck. We laid a trap acting on that information, and he has been caught red-handed while demanding and accepting a sum of rupees 18,000. Basically, from a scrap dealer, what more you can expect? And this is one instance which has come to our notice. We acted. We don't know his past antecedents or his activities.
SP Gaudi has requested public to provide any kind of information related to this case.
I would also request the media to publicize our phone numbers or office phone numbers and all, with a request to my mobile number is 9423 88 4100.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sushant Pad for Prudent Media.
An overspeeding car rammed into a house after hitting 2 cars parked outside the house at Kalangut on Monday. However, no human injuries are reported.
An overspeeding Ford car rammed into a house after damaging a Santro and a Wagoner parked outside the house near Chogam Road. The house owner Prakash Palekar claims the loss in the accident is worth 5 lakhs.
2-3 दिनी गाडी डॅमेज करून गॅरेजी 2 मोडून घरान अर्दो गाडी चल्ली अर्दी घरान गाडी गेल्लेली.
तुझे कितले हे नुकसान झालं?
माझ्या घराचे नुकसान झाले पण गाडी डॅमेज सुद्धा
नाही. पण टोटल कितले से नुकसान झालं असतं? गाडीचे आणि घराचे धरून
जातले 5 लाख डॅमेज झाले.
Garage owner Suryakant Asgaonkar informed that the driver of the car escaped with minor injuries. However, no human injuries have been reported.
यांनी गादाळली आणि उरली ना जाल्यार 3 माणसां आहेत मरपाची. आमचो पेंटर एक, गाडयेचो ड्रायव्हर एक आणि हांव आसलो. तिगय माणसां वाटावलो
आणि
तो ड्रायव्हर बरो आहा. तेचो गाडयेचो ड्रायव्हर चलयतालो तो सारको आसलो. तेका आमी भायर काडलो. ती गाडयेक उजो पेटलेलो, तोय उजो पेटलेलो, तोय बुजो आमीच हे केलो, पालायलो आणि तेका भायर काडलो.
A reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
3 persons have been arrested by the Ponda police for stealing a truck with 27 tons of raw sugar at Usgaon. This is one of its kind of case in the state. Ponda police claim that they have solved this case within 6 hours.
Muzaffar Hunarkutti, Ibrahim Mullah, Salman Khan were arrested by Ponda police for hijacking a loaded raw sugar truck. These 3 persons hijacked a truck and downloaded the raw sugar in some hilly area. PI of Ponda Police CL Patil informed us they cracked this case within 6 hours. Patil briefed us more on the investigation.
एक सस्पिशियस मनीस ते वतालो तेका धरलो आमी. तेन्ना मागीर तेणी सांगलें आमकां आमी भितर अनलोड केल्या ट्रक आनी सगळें पॅकिंग करून दवरलें आमी व्हरपाक. आनी तेन्ना त्या स्पॉटाचेर आमी गेले तेन्ना आनी 2 जाण मेळ्ळे आमकां. 3 जाणांक आमी धरले. इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा तेचेर. सो ते फायंड आउट करतले आमी तेचे लिंक खंय आसा, कोणाकडेन आसा, खंयच्यान कितें भानगड जाल्ले ते रॅकेट आमी सगळे वयर हाडटले.
We spoke with the driver Basav Reddy who was allegedly assaulted by the hijackers.
10 बजे में वो पोंडा बाईपास से ना और उधर ये 4 आदमी आया था वो कॉलेज घर में. आने के बाद वो हमारे को मार को वो थोड़ा लाइसेंस बताओ करे बोला था. मेरा लाइसेंस बताने के लिए उसके पास गया था. गया के बाद वो हमको मार को कार में डाल के ले गया.
और किधर छोड़ा?
किधर ले गए तो मेरे को मालूम नहीं.
और कौन था तुम्हारे साथ?
हाँ,
तुम्हारे साथ और कौन था?
क्लीनर है.
दोनों को मार के?
हाँ, दोनों मार के ले गए.
The truck was moving from MPT to Karnataka. The owner of truck informed that the material was recovered from the site. More other materials were also seized from the site.
ड्राइवर क्लीनर को मार के कॉलेज कार में कानकोन रोड में फेंके गए थे.
आप कौन हो?
हम कर्नाटक से आए.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
As part of the World Environment Day celebration, Center for Environment Education, along with Nisarga Nature Club and NIO, will be conducting a day-long program. World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June.
The Center for Environment Education along with NIO and Nisarga Nature Club is organizing a day-long program as part of the World Environment Day celebrations on 5th of June. The program will include an eco-quiz, filmmaking and photography competitions. There will also be a panel discussion on climate change and diversity. Coordinator for the event, Sujit Dhongre, mentioned that Goa is a very vulnerable state in terms of climatic change.
And you all know that Goa is very sensitive and very susceptible state, very vulnerable state in terms of any impacts, and that too climate change will have a tremendous impact on Goan ecology, because Goa has Western Ghats. Goa also has the coastline, and impact of climate change, the sea level rise will certainly submerge lot of low-lying areas.
Dhongre also said panchayats are not doing enough in creating awareness on this problem.
As far as Porwar, I have seen that there are several places, designated places where only the plastic collection centers they call actually. Okay, but unfortunately I don't think they are being properly managed. But yes, there are certain designated places where you are supposed to throw plastics, but of course people, as I said, that the mass education is required.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan.
Let's take a short break. We will be right back.